welcome to
Sleep with Diana. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we go to open these packages with my mom. Hold on.
Hey, it's alright. Hey guys, we're going to open packages again.
Guys, I'm excited.
So we got about, I don't know, I can count it, but let's just see what we
1, 2, 3, 4, 16 packages.
Alright guys, so ready?
I'm going to open this package. Oh,
Okay, let's open packages. What we got today? You know what guys, every time I open packages, it's like, you know, the feeling that it surprises me every time we open them because we don't even know what's inside. Of course, we know that we ordered it, but since we have a lot, then we don't know what's came in. So yeah.
So, look what we got.
So we're gonna open it all at one time, and later we will show you what are they, what products we got for today. Since we've been receiving a lot of packages like every single day. Okay, just put it there, sir. Love you, girl.
Oh, what is this?
I don't know.
Let's see.
Oh. Maybe we'll find out. So we're here.
We got this
Yes.
open tomato.
Yeah, just put it there for now. And then we're gonna show them what we got.
Hey, this one is heavy. Really heavy.
So how do you feel opening packages every time?
I kind of feel a little bored, but I feel excited at the same time.
Bored but excited?
Yeah.
Why does it make it bored for you?
It's because I don't really get to play with it.
Really? That's crazy.
Mom, can you open this? It's hard for me to
Okay, get the other one.
So can you open this, Mom? It's hard for me. Wow, I opened it. Oh,
Open it and put them there, okay?
wow, Mom, look what we got.
Yeah. Later we'll check them out.
Oh, wow, my favorite. Oh, that's hot. Open. Ow, that hurt my ears a little bit. I put it down.
Oh, that's pretty hard. Oh, what we got here?
Out of box.
Let's find out later.
So you hold it and now you going to give it to her, Mom?
Yeah. Because she takes out her toys.
What is that big light, Mom?
What is this? Let's see.
So this is one. So there's 2 more packages, Mom. Oh. 2 more packages.
Can you pick it up on me? I think this is the shelves.
What kind of shelves?
Oh, this is pretty heavy. So yeah, never mind about that. So guys, all in all, what we got today is we got a shelf. This one, a shelves. Of course, we need to assemble that to make it bigger and to make it actually a shelf. So also we got some hater nail clippers. That one.
What's that for, Mom? What kind of toy is
We
that?
also got some learning chart.
For who?
Learning chart for Grayson. It's actually a chart where you will put it on your wall, and when your kid press on something in here, it will tell what it is. So it's definitely a talking poster. Yeah, talking poster. Where you don't need to teach them anymore by yourself. All you got to do is put it on your wall, and when your kid touch anything on here, it will say what it is. Next, we got a wooden sweet set, cake like that. Toy set, bakery set for kids. Next, I don't know what it is. Oh, it's a fitness tracker. Yeah, this is. Let's see how it looks like. I bought 2 of this, which is of course one for my little girl, Sai, and one for Ate Tina, her cousin and best friend. Here you go. Let's see how it looks like.
What is that?
Fitness trackers for kids.
Gimme, gimme, gimme.
Yeah, that one.
Is it mine?
Yeah, I got 2 of that, and I need you to. Also, we got some mini printer. Well, when I bought it, I didn't know this is so small like this, but yeah, let's see how it works. But it's a label printer, so yeah, it's good when you sell stuff online. So you're gonna print shipping label on it or pictures like that. So let's see how it would work. And also, we got some pillowcases. It's a farm style pillowcases. Let's see. Like this. So you can see the text backwards. So, well, that's it. We also got